what's up, son? How was school?
Don't what's up, me. I saw what you were doing with my mom last night. Get off my mom.
You gotta start knocking before you walk in our room, son. Sit down. Your mom wants me to talk to you about what you walked in on.
You don't have to. I'll work it out at therapy.
Okay, whatever. A few moments later.
Okay, Grandma. Have fun. Love you.
The next day. Son!
What's up?
Did you set your grandma up on a date with Mr. Crazy in bed from down the street?
Oh, how'd you find out?
I stopped by to see my mother, and they were in the kitchen with no clothes on.
It's not so funny when it's your mom, is it?